it is time to go get this installed finally. She's gonna be loud. Just a little bit. Better than having no exhaust at all though, and just axle bumps. Oh, and yes, to answer people's questions, you can fit a whole entire catback exhaust in a Mustang. You just gotta fold the seats down. Let's cold start it one last time. No mufflers and just the resonators and the axle dump. Still pretty loud on cold start, but not loud enough after it quiets down. Right, first stop first is the storage unit. Get my tools. Alright, I got everything I need. A couple 13s, Allen wrenches. I messed up. And 16 sheep and sheep. Deep and shallow. That's what I'm trying to say. But I haven't had caffeine yet. See, I still almost forgot something. Need a screwdriver. And that's it though. Need to get my keys. I've acquired the most important part of the day. The most important part of the day. Sustenance. Sustenance to survive. Now, let's get back on the road to the shop.
Oh my god, you're huge.
Just push the fucking clutch in and make sure it's not in gear.
No, it doesn't. I'm sure it sounds different when you're on it. It's a little louder.
A little bit more poppier.
hear it from outside. That pre 911.
Alright, so it's the next day now. I gave it a little bit more time to break in and get more of that sound I wanted. As you can see, it's actually fairly cold right now for it being summertime. So let's go ahead and give it another cold start, and we'll go ahead and do another ride, or do a ride to work at least. Obviously somebody was being a little temperamental. That was... still pretty tame, honestly. It's not crazy. On the road to work. In here is just... definitely loud. It's all a good tone. I mean, you get a little bit of drone, not gonna lie, you get a little bit, but nothing like, I probably shouldn't say nothing crazy. Let's get on the highway, see how it's really droning. You get a little bit of noise, nothing crazy though. Go ahead and do a quick little, as much as I can, do a pool. Definitely got a good tone to it. What's happening here. Yeah, definitely got a good tone, and honestly enhances those pops like I thought it was going to. Really on the highway, I mean, it's droney right now, we're at 1500, but it's not anything like I couldn't have a normal conversation and still be heard, which is perfect for the daily drivability of it. Honestly, it sounds the same amount of drone, it's just the muffler delete did. Okay, so it definitely gets a little bit worse the closer you get to 2000. Still definitely has a good tone though. I would say right now it seems to be pretty good between the best of both worlds. It still has a loud, aggressive tone for when you want it, but when you're cruising along in 6th gear on the highway for daily use, I mean, assuming your commute's on a highway and all that, you know, it's not terrible, it's not unbearable. Got a gnarly tone to her. Alright, so 2000 RPM seems like the worst drone range. Let's go ahead and shift down into 5th. Wow, okay. So if you avoid 2000 RPMs like the plague cruising, you're fine, because right now I'm at 2500 and not even a lick of drone, but once I shift down back into 6th, you get that highway drone once you get up higher speeds a little bit more. If you're cruising along doing 75 on a highway, there's no drone. So if you're on a 50 highway, just keep it in 5th and, you know, stay away from that 2,000 RPM drone. And I think that really concludes everything I've got to say about the MBRP Black Series Race Edition exhaust. Let's get up. You can definitely hear those pops a little bit more, which I was expecting taking those resonators off.